Yet the footage clearly shows she was far more forceful than she claimed.
Okay, it just didn't happen the way you're
On July 7, 2025, officers were called to a preschool in Orange City, Florida, after a mother reported that her toddler had been physically abused. About a week earlier, the child had told her mother about the abuse, who initially dismissed it thinking it was incidental. But after a few days pass, the 3-year-old was still hesitant to return and kept mentioning how her teacher was mean to her. This prompted the parents and admin of the preschool to review security footage from the room. The investigation quickly uncovered surveillance footage confirming multiple instances of physical aggression by the teacher toward the child. After reviewing the evidence, officers head over to the suspect's house to arrest her.
Hi, can you come out for me? Go ahead and step out for me. Go ahead and step out for me. I'll let you call somebody. Okay. Alright, well step out for me. Okay. Come out for me. Is your granddaughter here?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, well come this way.
Please don't do this in front of her.
If you want to, we can walk this way if you want. Is she inside? No, we will call somebody for you. You're going to be put in handcuffs and then we'll let you call somebody, okay?
In cuffs?
Yes.
She's gonna see it. Why?
Okay.
Why does she have
Just
to
walk
see
this
this?
way. Just walk that way.
Are you kidding me?
Go that way for me.
Why does she have to see this?
Well, she's inside. She's not going to see anything. That's why we're making you walk over here, okay?
How old's your granddaughter?
She's only 5.
She's 5. Where's her mom?
They're going away here right now.
She's going away?
Yeah, they're going to Miami. Her and my son. We're going on vacation for the weekend.
Where's your husband live? Or is he at work?
Yes.
Okay, so he lives here with you?
Yes.
Okay, where does he work at?
At Superior Shift. Why am I getting arrested? What's the charge? Is it
Child
child abuse?
Child abuse, yes. Same charges I told you about yesterday when we talked on the footage. I did. It does not show what you're telling me.
How does it not? It's what happened.
Okay. If you want to keep talking to me, that's fine. I just want to read you your rights, okay?
What can I call my husband so he could be on his way? Before?
You know your husband's phone number?
Not by heart. It's in my phone.
Okay. Where's your phone at?
It's right there on the table. Can we come away from the public? Can we just stand in here? Can I?
And you say you don't want your granddaughter to see
You
it.
can have a seat right here if you want on the chair.
Okay.
He sits on the table.
It's right there on the. Oh no, she has it. Oh Lord. Yeah, she has it.
I'm going to read you something, okay?
Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney with you. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to answer any questions or make a statement at this time?
No, I wasn't listening, but it's okay. No.
No, you don't want to talk, or no, you don't understand your rights?
Do you want me to read them
understand my
again?
rights.
Okay.
Okay, alright, just want to make sure.
I don't understand. How did you not see what I said on the footage? I don't understand. I tugged on her ear.
If you're telling me you don't want to talk to me, I can't talk to you.
I do want to talk to you.
Okay, alright, I just want to make sure.
I do want to talk to you. I don't understand. How did you not see? I tugged on her. I don't know. What is that trying to get in my... I tugged on her hair. If you saw it, I think we were having snack or something. And I was telling her about pulling the hair. That's all that happened.
Okay.
The suspect claims she didn't harm the child and was only demonstrating the action to teach her a lesson. Yet the footage clearly shows she was far more forceful than she claimed.
Okay, it just didn't happen the way you're explaining it. And I understand you're admitting that you pulled her hair, but you pulled her hair pretty hard and
She
you made
didn't
her
even-
fall to the ground.
She fell to the ground.
Yeah.
She was sitting down.
Okay.
Was she not sitting down?
No, she was standing.
I could have remembered she was sitting down, but she didn't cry. Did she cry in the video?
You can't see in the video because her face is down, pointing down. So you
She
can't
was
see.
sitting down. We were eating either snack or lunch when it happened, if I remember correctly. I never got the opportunity to see the video. Diane refused me to see it.
Did you ask Diane to see it?
Yes.
Okay.
I asked her to see it, but I've never seen it. She refused to let me see it. Am I going to be able to get dressed?
So you have no bond until first
11
appearance.
Bravo 10 on OC.
No way.
So you'll have first appearance later today, because you missed this morning's first appearance. Because this morning's...
Which I probably don't know about get because of this. You don't know if I'll be able to work in school ever again.
That I have no idea. I can't tell you yes or no. That would be up to the school if they want to allow it and what happens with the charge.
What's your name?
Zeta Bayala was charged with cruelty toward a child and child abuse without great bodily harm. A warrant for her arrest was subsequently obtained.